So the question we are looking at is question number 70 of LEETCODE. It's climbing stairs. So the question goes like you are climbing a staircase. It takes n step to reach the top. So either you can climb one or two. I'll just explain what the whole purpose is. For example, these are the stairs, and you just name these stairs like the array counting. So these are the six stairs basically. So you are standing here. You are Jerry. You're standing here, and I know my Jerry is not working out lately. And here is an apple pie. So you need to grab this apple pie. For some reason, you are hungry. So the basic thing is, the maximum step you can take is two. So if you are standing here, the maximum step you can take is two. This is one step. This is two step. So for example, you are standing here, maximum step you can take is two, which means you can take the one step. Obviously you can take how many steps you want. The one step, like one. You can take n number of one step, but the maximum, like the max jump you can make from here or from here is of two, first and second. So directly you can go to three, you cannot go to four. This was the half of the question. So now question wants us to know that you have given n stairs. For example, n is 5, you are given 5 stairs. So tell me how in how many ways you can go there. Like for example, I'll explain. If n would have been 2, so in how many ways you can go to 2, and you are standing on 0. So the first way is go to on 1 and go on 2. Second way is directly jump onto 2. I don't think there is any other way to reach 2. So there are two ways. Similarly, if we'll see about n is equals to 3. So in how many ways you can go? You can go the simplest way, the direct one, and you can jump on 2, then you can go on 3. What else you can do? You can jump on 1 and then you can directly jump on 3. So there are total number of 3 ways. Let me just clear this out. Now, n is equals to 5. For example, we have 5. So we'll learn this in this way. Just imagine these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So suppose we need to find for 4, because for 5 it will be a linear problem. Like it will just take more time, you'll get to know. So just excuse me. So let's see, we are on 0 and we need to go to 1. How many ways? One ways. You can just jump on this. There is no other way you can go. Now you need to go on the second. So on second, how you can go? Go on 1, then uh, move on to the second. This and this. This took one step. Another way is directly jump onto the 2. This took basically two steps. Two steps. So there are two ways. There were one ways. Let me just clear this out. Now you want to go to the third. One way is, uh, I'll explain it here. One way is this, this, the simple way. Go to 1, 2, and 3. Second way is start jumping. The max jump you can take is 2 and then a single step. So when you started jumping, you went to 2, then a single step. Another way which can be is go on to 1 and then jump. Like first we jumped to 2. Now what we did, we came here and then we made a jump. So these are the three ways. If the maximum jump was allowed was 3, we would have directly taken this path, like jump directly onto the 3. But sadly, this is not possible. So to reach 3, there are three ways. So to reach 1, there is one way. To reach 2, there are two ways and three ways. Similarly on 4, let me just clear this. Uh, oh, nice. Such worst erasing skills. Yeah. Now we need to go to the fourth. Basic way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 step. Another is jump 2, 2. Jump on 2. Excuse me. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah. So the first way is directly go, and second is hop on to 2, then take 2 jump. So there are two ways. Then one way is go to first and then jump 2, then take another single step. Another way is jump on to 2 and start taking single step. Four ways. The only way Remaining is there should be one way, like this, single way, this, and one way should be you go there, you go on to 2, and you start jumping from 2. Like visit 1, visit 2, and then this one was simple jump like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one just take directly jump to the second, then again jump to the 4. This one is stand on 1, like take one step and jump onto the 3 because 2 max allowed, and this is directly 4. Next one is hop onto the second one, then third, then single step, and this one is take one step, take another one step, and then just directly jump. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 ways. So this is the intuition. It should give us 5. It should give us 3, 2, 1. So let's code it. So we have the given like provided number is integer, so it can be 5 in anything. So we'll just return directly a function. For example, my function is stairs, and we'll pass the n value, not n word, n value, and we'll just make a function. We'll just make a function integer stairs, pass n in here. Then what we'll do, we'll use recursion here. So base case, and we'll sub case. So base case would be if n is equals to 0, return 1 already, because if you are standing on 0, there is only one possibility that you are standing on 0. If n is less than 0, return 0 obviously. Like if you are getting less, like if n is less than 0, there is no way you are doing this. Like it's just a base case. So in recursive case, what you need to do, you can just directly return. Did I told you one thing? No, I did not. So sorry. There's one thing like now you can see a pattern. Like basically, it's a kind of Fibonacci. Like here you are standing on one. It's a kind of Fibonacci series, 2, 3, 5, and one pattern you can notice is that the number of ways you can reach a place is the sum of last two ways. No, please don't. Huh. uh, the last two ways, basically 3 plus 2, it's 5. If you look, I'll just use this. If you look at 3, it's 1 plus 2, there are 3 ways. So it's just the sum of last two ways. Like for example, in this question, you can tweak and you can give the max step to 3. Like maximum step, earlier you maximum step was only 2, you can just jump 2. Now you can make the maximum step 3, and you can extend this to like 40 and something, like very huge value. So in this case, max is equals to 3. So we need to take the last three elements sum. Like if this is 3, so this thing would be 3 plus 2 plus 1. Like adding this thing would be changed. Definitely, it will like the whole case will change. But the basic thing is here we have the maximum number of step equals to 2. So these two steps will determine that yes, we need to take the last two what we'll say last two cases. So this will be fn would be fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, like last two cases. So this will describe the overall how many what you say how many combinations you want. So in the return case, you can directly stairs, you can directly call the function n minus 1 recursively, and you can again call it n minus 2. Hope this will, I guess this will return without any problem. Actually this, yeah, input is 2, output expected is 3. So let's change our input to, for example, what we saw here. We saw, just a second, we saw that for, where is it? Yeah, for 4, the cases should be 5. So let's see this. For 4, it should give us 5. Expected 5, output 5, correct. Let's try for 10. But the problem with this is Recursion generally makes thing like more complicated. So constraints are given here 45, and it will work. Like I guess it will work fine till 30. Like 30 is such a big number. There are so many ways you can reach like 35 or 30. So, but at 45, I guess it will. It, yeah, it's running fine. But at 40 or I guess 43, it start giving you TLE because of obviously the errors. So I should, I know, I think it should give, yeah, TLE, it gave TLE. So this only works for, sorry, I guess for constraint like 1 to 40, 43. Next approach is DP, which I currently don't know. So I'll learn it and definitely I'm gonna make another video. Thank you.